Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Raider 150 so you can safely access the clutch. Park it upright, switch the battery off, close the fuel valve, and put the transmission in neutral. Once done, remove the seat and side covers, then unbolt the clutch cover. Label fasteners to avoid confusion. Make sure to drain oil if the cover requires it and lay out tools. 8mm and 10mm sockets, a torque wrench, and the replacement friction plates. This setup reduces mistakes and speeds the repair. You now tackle the complex middle steps. Loosen pressure plate bolts in a crisscross pattern to prevent warping, then lift the plate and remove the friction and steel plates one by one. Inspect each friction plate for glazing, cracking, or less than 0. 5mm of material and check steels for bluing or warps. Measure spring free length and clutch free play. Replace any springs out of spec. Once you confirm parts condition, clean the hub and basket with solvent and prepare new plates for correct stacking order. You finish by reassembling in the correct order. Alternate friction and steel plates, seat the pressure plate, and torque bolts to the Raider 150 specification. Refill oil, reconnect the battery, and adjust clutch cable free play to roughly 2-3 mm at the lever. Make sure the lever returns smoothly. Start the engine and test in first gear, checking for slipping or dragging. If you notice slipping, recheck plate thickness and spring specs. If dragging persists, verify plate alignment and cable adjustment before riding further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.